Welcome back, guys. Quality postholes, landscaping, save more, live better. Let's get this thing going. Is it good?
Do you need like an actual?
No, if I could see the drawing. Which one is Enbridge one there? This
Enbridge.
one? Do you have a map showing?
Enbridge. The map is here.
It's hard to see on my.
But only.
Yeah. So this one will leave.
Yeah, I'll hand dig this one. I do that.
Yeah. I know there's a main one going straight, but for you, I'm not sure if it's connecting across or going here.
Sure.
Yeah. So this one. Yeah.
To check this area, but I just made it yesterday.
Oh. Yeah. It's not gonna be done now. Yeah.
Like right in.
I need it for a day or two. Yeah, just put 2 days. Thank you. That's it? Hello? Hey! Not much. That's working. What's up? Oh, I know. Yeah, the season just started. I just removed my first rock in a hole. Yeah. How's everything? Okay. Hopefully we have a busy, booming season. Yeah, well, that's good. We can do it. That one video. Can I move the hole a little bit forward? If it's too big? Yeah, this, but here I have a rock.
On both sides.
If we can escape. Oh, all this thing. I'm just gonna carry the post in the meantime. See what you can do here. But the post them. Oh, and the post so long, man. 12 feet long. Look at this. Why this guy bought this post so long? There's no need for that. Could I get 10 feet post? So let me just carry one of those. It goes like this. And bam, you put it on your shoulder. And away you. Oh yeah, the coffee is there. This one there good?
Yeah.
Okay. Why this guy buy that so long?
I'm in Peterborough tomorrow. So I'll come back in the afternoon to some of this stuff.
Too good. You hit the top button for the record.
Yeah.
Where do you work?
Hold on.
I look after
Start
group
now.
homes.
Yeah?
Hold on. When you get to level,
Oh.
don't move it yet.
Here in
When you
Oshawa,
get to level, don't move it.
Peterborough.
No, make sure.
Asia.
Yeah. Well,
That's a tough job, you know?
Sometimes.
Yeah. That's a small level.
Is that for YouTube?
Yeah.
What do you go by on there?
I'll text it to you.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'll learn how to dig a hole.
Oh my god. I used to live in Oshawa, you know?
You don't live here now?
I moved.
Oh, where are you guys from?
My ex-wife, she kicked me out the house. That's okay. Smart lady, eh?
Where you guys from? Toronto somewhere?
Yeah.
Smart. She didn't kick me before we get the house. After she get the house, huh?
Yeah.
You see how this thing is, huh?
Yeah, I know.
No good for men, huh? Look at this footing for the deck.
Yeah, it looks good.
6 inches.
Yeah. The rest is heavy duty.
Yeah. It's like a silly fish, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's one of the steps.
Check the strength there. I'll give you strength there. Hey, Virgin, I'm telling the viewers nothing. No subscribe, nothing, just mute. Hey, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Jamaican Hoodlums. Straight from Portmore. Don't forget. Sure, this is that port, it's not gonna do. I want to lose like 35 pounds.
D'accord.
No good job, Blaine. I see one off.
Yeah? Which one?
The one you holding. Those gloves.
I don't wear them.
I have nothing.
I don't wear gloves.
I have nothing to do. Concrete. I don't have nothing to do right now. I already retire. Yes, finally we get to see room with a shovel, guys. It's been 7 months. Yeah, beautiful job. We out of here. Freshly installed. Gotta wait 24 hours to start building, but yep. Those are 6x6x12s, and just like that, we out of here. I'm gonna just stay here and watch Rome in the back shoveling. Yep. It's straight and nice. Too good.
Too good for Canada.
Yep. Concrete, concrete.
Concrete.
Mhm. Oh my gosh, let me put some big stone in there, no? Why are you taking the stones? He know we need it. Ted. I guess you could wash that
Huh?
in the end.
No. Turn off the camera, man. Turn off the camera, man.
Huh?
Turn off the camera.
Why? Oh. Oh, that way you could dump it there.
Don't dump it down there, son.
You could dump all that there.
So,
Number one guy.
one guy.
Number one guy.
I'm over here.
Oh. And like this, job well done.